Hi everyone, welcome to another video by Less Tax to Pay. Today we're going to be looking at Quickbooks Online and how to set it up if you're a pub or a restaurant, and how to deal with the taking side to enter in your sales. Unless your till integrates with Quickbooks Online, this can be quite a difficult task if you're not sure how to set it up correctly. Now we're just going to take you through a very simple way of doing it. Just so you can record and use QuickBooks Online for the relevance of your business. So as you can see, we've logged into QuickBooks today. We are on the dashboard. This is a test company. As you can see, it's for test restaurants and public houses. So there's nothing been entered here, so this is as if it's a brand new company. So what we want to do, you do have to be logged in as the administrator before we start, but what you want to do is you want to go to accounting and then chart of accounts. Now all we're going to do is create two accounts in here, one called a takings account and one called a petty cash account. So if we go up to new, it's automatically selected the account type we want, which is cash at bank or in hand. The detail type is cash on hand, and the first one we're going to do is a takings account. Okay, and we're going to create a second one, but normally you just go save and close. So we're going to go save and new, and we want to select the same thing, cash at hand or in bank. We want to select the detail type of cash on hand and type in petty cash. Now the petty cash account is literally the little receipts that you use for monies that are going out for your business. It's not the big supplier invoice, it's literally the little things you buy day to day to keep the running of your business. So now we've set those two up, it's now about how do we input the sales receipts or the takings for the day into QuickBooks Online. So first of all, we have to go to invoicing and customers. Now you'll see you've got no customers in here, so that's fine. What you do is you just type one in called takings, add a customer. Now you're not going to be adding customers all the time, this is really going to be the only customer that you're going to have, so that's fine just to keep it a generic name. Now what you can do is you can go to all sales. It's asking you to create an invoice. Now we do have to create an initial invoice, but it won't have any figures in it. So we just type in takings, go to invoice date, do today's date if you want. It'll ask for a product or service, select the service, just call it a dummy invoice with a quantity of 0, and you can go to save and close. Okay, so we've created an invoice now, so it makes it a lot easier now for us to record the sales receipts for the takings. So now we're into the all sales. Again, to get to all sales you can go to invoicing, all sales, or if you click on one of the other options you do have the option up here to click on all sales. So now to record a sales receipt for the takings, you go to new transaction, sales receipt, select the customer, which is your takings account, the sales receipt date, so this will be the date of your takings. You also have to make sure, one thing I nearly forgot there, this bit here where it says deposit to, you have to make sure you select the takings account every time. Now generally once you've done it the first time it should remember it, but you've got to make sure that that is the right account that's set. Then you go to services, in the description, takings for, and we're going to take it that you're not VAT registered today, but obviously you can be VAT registered in the future, and then you can go save and close. So now what that's done is that's recorded £1,000 into the takings account, for then when you come to do your bank reconciliation and money's going into your bank, what you do is you do a transfer between the takings account to the main bank account, and that's how to keep it relevant. And what should always be happening, just a little bit of accountancy sort of knowledge, there should always be a balance in your takings account which will then be transferred to your petty cash account, because obviously you're spending money out, so whatever's not gone in the bank should really be spent on petty cash, so that should then transfer off. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you have any hints or tip videos that you want to see about any of the online softwares that we've got, please leave a comment below. Please also subscribe to the page, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Bye for now.